Oh, what's up, people? How's everybody doing? Are we good? I was just on on Discord with some guy, checking out Biddy. If anyone has Biddy right now, I can't tell if you're happy or not. Depends on when you bought. Is the answer to that. How's everybody doing? Did anyone get any wins? I see this basically just kept kind of going sideways. Nothing. Wait, where's 8:30? Around here. Oh gosh, that was... Yo. Okay, 8:30, I see we started to get a little bit more movement, so that's something. That's something. Okay, there's a little something. Next stop would be around 137 if we continue to the buy side. Oh my god, I don't know. Some guy, long time no see. How you doing? What's up, Sean? How are you? Happy New York indeed. Obito, hi. Was meant to be playing frisbee with a friend, but the wind is winding today. You know what? That's fair. I was meant to be a productive society. I've butchered this way too early in the stream. I was supposed to be a productive member of society today, but you know, just life. Let's see. I mean, to be fair, not much has changed on this chart right now. I mean, there was a bit of a sweep over here. I'm just gonna mark this out. Yeah, that's about it. That's about the only new thing. I mean, these are kind of relatively close. This could be a bit of a point of interest over here. Just those two staying rather close together. Sure. Let's see, I'm gonna quickly go through top to bottom analysis again just to see. I mean, like I said, there was really not much to mark out. Let's see if we get confirmation. So on the daily, how looketh it? Okay, it looketh bullish on the daily. It has not yet come down far enough though. I did say around 27, yeah, 670. I did say around 670. That's 670-ish, 660 level. We're doing this chart type trading, spending more time with the kids, but no trades this week. Oh, but Sean, that's fine. That's fine. You know, family and whatnot. That sounds bad. Family and whatnot. I get it. I get it. Only taken. I mean, I wasn't here Monday, Tuesday. I took a trade yesterday. There we go. I feel like I'm yelling, but it's because I had this. Anyways, I took a break-even trade yesterday and a break-even trade this morning. Let's see if New York gives us anything good. Yeah. A little bit break-even for the week. It could be worse. Let's just be real. It really, really could be worse. I was still kind of keen on coming back down to the 670 level, but maybe not. I see there it's a little bit on the bullish bias. Samesies. Gosh darn. Or this bias probability is at 100% for bullish BT dubs. That's insane. Okay, 1 hour. You know, I'm gonna have to go with potentially bullish, just looking at this indicator. Okay, that was a really nice retest and break. It would be nice to see if it takes out this Asia high at 138. When it does that though, the question is it gonna break and fill this fair value gap? Is it going to just tap back into the bearish fair value gap and drop back down? It has tested the bearish fair value gap already, so maybe not. Why am I sounding smart right now? Anyways, we're just gonna have to go with it and see what comes. Okay. There we go. Like I said, it has tapped in. Maybe it wants to full. Let's see how it reacts at this 1 hour order block. Let's check 15 minutes. It would help if I clicked there. Okay, took that little high. Yeah, next stop is here, and then we're gonna have to see if it's gonna fill. And continue to the bull side. Again, like I said, this Mama Jam is at 100% so far on every single time frame, which is a little bit insane. Again, bullish 100%. I have a feeling it's thinking bulls. Just a sneaky little suspicion over here from me. Okay, and 1 minute. Let's do this thing. Oh wait, on the 1 minute it's now down to 75%. Well, you know, not 100%, but bulls are still taking control. Okay, now we can turn it off so it doesn't distract me. And now we're good to go. Yeah, okay. So that is the liquidity. Wait. Last thing I want to do. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's confirm the liquidity. Let's see if I've marked it all out. Yep. This one is more major. I've just taken note of this one because of the relative equal lows on the lower time frames, but this is the main liquidity at 763. Okay, that was taken. That was taken. That one's still good. That one is definitely still good. I'm just gonna take it across, bring it across again. That one is definitely still not there. On the 1 hour, like I said, here's the new daily opening gap. I'm gonna see how it reacts in there. It's right by that little bit of an order block as well. No, I lied. Let's see how it reacts going further up. Okay, cool. Done. We're getting there. Good question. Some guy, go find them and be like, what is wrong with you? We are ready. So the guys who's been around these days. Yeah, everyone I think is just I don't know. Life is busy. I feel like life is. Who was like the this makes it seem like you've been here forever and ever and ever, but like who were the usual gang back in the day? Some guy. And everyone in the Discord, but it wouldn't let me. Oh, that's weird. That's very weird. What did you say? Let me quickly check something. I wonder why. Next time just tag me and I'll add everyone for you, okay? Welcome to Order Flow Hub. There we go. For those of you that do order flow, here's one. On Discord. Okay, done. Geordie Saleh Rip. Some OGs. So Geordie does still pop on, but he's more on Discord. Saleh, I mean, you saw Saleh this morning. Rip just disappeared. I have no clue where Rip went. Basically, as soon as I passed my eval, Rip just whooped into thin air. I haven't taken a trade yet, but we're profitable money, not lost as money again. Obviously, David, yeah. Hello. What's up, Lucky? How you doing? How's it going? Hello. Microbuffet. Yeah, you guys are like, what is happening? Say your name and you just pop out of nowhere. Look who it is. Like a genie. Do the wish of pass your evil and then poop. Exactly, some guy. It was wild. Oh, itchy chin. Okay. Oh, no, they want to see your tool first. Come here. You said my name like Genie. Where were you guys when I was doing TA in the Discord? Yeah, guys, I went and I quickly joined some guy on the Discord, Quick Sticks. Checked out what Biddy looked like. Very interesting. Oh, lucky, I'm so glad. Okay. He is now, this is where he lives now. Hey, good boy. You're not spoiled at all. Do you know that? Yeah, you're not spoiled at all. Oh my gosh, your head is so heavy. He is solidly resting his head in my hand right now. Like, if I had to move my hand, his head would fall. Okay, there we go. There we go. You're not done getting scratches. You have such a rough life. Following that part that I drew out when you were in the stream. Oh, damn, like properly? Has it tagged into that level yet that it's gonna, or potentially reject off of, or not yet? But I'm curious about. You're gonna have to keep me updated, some guy. Or what does Jordy calls you Tyler? Okay, 9:27. We have 3 minutes to go. So don't ask me why, because I do not know. But you know that song Get Low? Get low, get low, get low. It is stuck in my head. It's rather irritating. But it's stuck. It do be stuck in my head now. Jordy, say that name again without my down to first support. Look fancy now, looking for scoop of heart into auto block above. Well, now I can't do it because you put me under pressure, Jordy. I do not do well under pressure. If you say do something without doing that, I can't. Okay, I can wait. I can do this. In a actress. I will never be able to be an actress for this very reason. Just BT dubs, but in an actress. Tyler. Wait, I can do this. In an actress. Tyler. Boom. Nailed it. Okay. Can you fake cry? I can fake cry. Believe it or not, I can actually fake cry. I don't know if it's a manipulation thing or just, you know, suppressed emotions that just come through. But either way, I can fake cry. Like I said, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but here we are. OTT, how you doing? How are you trading to this music? You need Drake. To be fair, I don't listen to the music. I might fall asleep. But it's relaxing. You're supposed to be relaxed while trading. So I don't know. I don't really listen to Drake. I know I'm going to be shunned for that one, but if I was going to be listening to anything, maybe some Bring Me the Horizon. That could be a jam. Maybe some Pitch Perfect. You know, we have variety. Maybe some good old country. Baby, lock them doors and turn the light down low. Nailed it. I can cry on command. All I need is to not manscape more fuchs. Think about holes in my pockets, get tweezers and start pulling. You know, I'm the blasting drum and bass while I'm doing GA. So to be fair, Samga, I didn't hear your music. But I think you probably muted it when I hopped on. Like I said, I do.
Okay, let's go.
I was not paying attention. Guys, it's 9:30. Market's open. Everybody, pay attention. Maya, focus. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. Maybe we should get the bananas stuck in our head again. This PA is bananas. BANANAS. 19 seconds. Good grief. Hello. How big is this? Oh, so far 50. Yeah, good solid 55 point candle. Give or take 1 or 2 points. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ka-chow! Here's 930 range. Do 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 do. This is gonna irritate me. Okay. Let's see, we got 931 going. Asia high over there. It low-key looks like it's actually headed towards Asia high. Okay, missed there. Got a wick at the top, wick at the bottom. Let's go 1 minute. Let's go 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go 1 minute. Let's go. Sorry, I'll stop. I'll stop being extra weird. Let's see what we get. That's who's also kind of gone poof. Mud crab, some guy. He just went. No idea what happened to him. He just poofed. That's it. Yeah, there's a few people that have gone poof. The OGs are still here though. I mean, Bob is still here. I don't know, but Bob is still here. $9.32. Got caught in a lobster pot somewhere. That makes sense. R.I.P. Ah, sorry. That was a very bad joke. You know, rip. Anyways, I see Bob streaming on Twitch sometime, but never when I'm actually free to watch. Yeah. You know, naturally. That's just how it goes. Autoflow group is now live. You're lucky to be in there. You should feel privileged. Wow. Just wow. Lucky to be on it in my own Discord. Thanks. Oh, flip. I did see you made it though. Who did you add to it? Okay, a little spike up. Going back down now. Okie dokie then. Good grief. Good grief. Okay, this is a lot. I'm not order flow enough. Oh. See, but now some guy feels left out. That's mean. Okay, here's the first presented. Let's do this. No, not that you're not on fire enough. You're just too Bitcoin. So some guy, what I'm getting is you have to maybe look at some futures. Then you'll be welcome. Gosh darn, this is like an exclusive group. ICT. $9.34. Good. Grief. Not gonna lie, I expected this to go higher up. Not come crashing down. Oh well. I will happily be pleasantly surprised. If this is it going all the way back down now. Well, there was a little solid Bob level trade. Let's see what happens now. Went below VWAP on ES. VWAP is down here for NQ, obviously. Solid rejection right off of there. Has anyone taken a trade yet, by the way? Hey, Jade, what the? How you doing, my friend? I can say hi to you. We've got to be rough. Gotta be tough. Some guy, how's the biddy looking now? Is it still kind of playing out how you thought? Ah, Jade, you know what? I'm good. I'm very, very chill today. It's overcast here, so I've just been chilling. Perry refused to let me take him for a run this morning. He was a little bit rude. Basically dragged me in the opposite direction and just went, nope. Never had a dog go nope as much as he went nope this morning. So that's fine. Rude, but fine. Nice strong rejection. How's this look on the 5-minute? Break potentially back up. Okay. Rude, honestly. Looking like it's gonna rudely deviate from my preferred path and just go straight for the low. Wow. To be fair, I really thought that I wanted to come and take out Asia High and then potentially drop back down after that has happened. Apparently not. Apparently it's just kind of going, nope, no. I'm not done yet. Might be too late. I kind of want to paper trade this out of curiosity. Guess I'm not too late. Let's quickly paper trade this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, created. Let's make it, but it's a stop here, and it would be a buy. Okay, this is on paper. I'm kind of curious about this. Let's see if this works out. We sweep this local low and put it back above. I might give it a long. Like I said, I'm checking this out. This might not work quite how I wanted to, but we're giving it a bash. So this looks like it could just continue to the sell side. Just watching this all very closely now. I think that was a very big drop. That was a rather large drop. From the tippy top down to here. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it does go back up there. Oh, no, okay, apparently still going down. See how it does at VWAP. Going. Come on. Let's see what you got. Paper trading this because I can't trade mine yet. I'm gonna wait for my A+ setup when I get the opportunity. See, I'm saying when, I'm putting it out there. When I get the opportunity, I'll hop on over and we will trade that. Okay, there's the tap. We're gonna start pushing it. ES is looking like it's starting to push the buyers. NQ, nope, not so much. Let's see how we react here. Apparently still not. Nope, not working out how I thought it would. But we're gonna keep this going. Okay. Okay. Nope and nope. Wow. So much for that thought. So much for that thought. Bit of liquidity here that I maybe want to come and grab first. I mean, there it closed above VWAP. Never mind. Let's see. A little close above there. Oh, this is the second day I've had a little bit of a bullish bias, and now maybe not. Yeah, everyone's being awfully quiet today. Is everyone good? What's happening? Did the conversation from this morning just tire everyone out? I get it. It's rough. Just saying. Because wow. Just wow. The conversation this morning was very, very entertaining. So, understandable. Oh my gosh, Jade. People were a little bit unhinged this morning. I don't quite know how else to explain it. There was moments where I was like, if the wrong person comes and reads this chat today, I'm gonna get cancelled. It was just... To be fair, the last 2 mornings, it's been a little bit like that. We were then talking... It started with bananas and people being obsessed with bananas. Anyway, yep, there we go. It was bananas. So it started with bananas, then it moved to I guess marriage and relationship roles. I guess that's me trying to be good. There wasn't much with no, there wasn't. Was there? No. There wasn't discussions about race today. Yesterday, there was about race. That one I was just like, I'm not getting involved in this one. I feel like I'm missing something. Some guy, what else I think that's basically it. Then you missed a bunch, and then you popped back on and you were just like, what did I miss? And I was just like, oh, so much. It's just bananas. Sorry. I'll be better. Okay, that did not work out. Dumping hard on NQ and barely moving on ES. ES, like I said, the buyers still look like they want to come to the party on ES. I think that was about it. Just your average Thursday. Yeah, just normal conversations on a normal Thursday about weird, unhinged things. You know, as people do. To be fair, I think everyone is really focused right now on this chart, because for some people, I can guarantee you this is the best movement ever. We know for me this is not ideal. Yet. Yet being the keyword. Might be an old bait and switch with New York Open here. Hit him with the old drop and pop, chop up retail. Fair. There's the push on ES. To be fair, I'm just waiting to see what this gives us. Because that was quite a hectic drop, but was it an intentional drop to get the sellers in? Basically, grab some stop losses, you know, get people... Mess with the psychology, basically, right, some guy? That's... would kind of be what I would expect. Seriously? Oh, that's now running away. If this does go back up, I would like to see it take that out solidly. That's kind of what I'm watching for. But apparently not. Like I said, it's buying on ES and it is selling on NQ, which is my favorite. I hate it when it does this. Stop out the longs, bait in the shorts, then rip it up and leave them underwater. Exactly. What's up, Bigfoot players? How you doing? How's it going? Never give up. I'm too stubborn to ever give up. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I am literally too stubborn. Again, if it's good or bad, I have no idea. But here we are, carrying on. Please don't let it be the same. Stubborn is good in some situations and bad in others. Okay, give me a bad situation. I'm curious about the bad situation. What would your idea of a bad situation to be stubborn and look like? What's up, Andre? You got AIPO. Am I being dumb? I don't think I've actually heard of that. What that? AI and defense. Oh. Bad equals being overly silent with a family member or partner about something trivial. Okay, no, you got me there. You got me there. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Oh, do you know what I haven't done? I'm so sorry, guys. That is disgusting of me.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hope everyone's doing amazing. It's stuck on VWAP on ES right now. NQ's dropping, but ES is a little bit trepid. Shall we? Assuming as my A+ setup has not formed. Oh dear. The coin said bye. The coin made me do it. I'll make it, what, $100? Yeah, close enough. Okay. The coin said bye, I'm listening to the coin. Multimirror, what's up? How are we doing? Bosses teach more than one sometimes. Deb, I'm good, I'm good. Good equals too stubborn to be defeated in pursuit to acquire persistence, patience, and discipline. Isn't it funny how most traders are stubborn people? You have a very valid point there. Losses teach more than wins sometimes. Every mistake in trading is experience, and experience is what makes a trader stronger. I'm learning step by step, so I won't quit easily. Multimirror, brother bear. What the heck, man? Is this coin magical? That actually should have taken me out. Paper trading, unfortunately, is a little bit slow. Or the spread. You can see that it did actually it wicked in there. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Oh, multimedia, don't worry. This is bro. This is take it. Thank you. This is paper trading. Though it worked out. I don't know how, but damn. Pictures for screening, yeah. That was hilarious. Okay then. Okay. Loki did not expect that, but let's do this thing. If it does start to go up a little bit further, let's see what we get. That's a nice A+ setup on ES, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. That's sick. Let's see this. Ah, okay, it's starting to run. Here's what you were waiting for, some guy. This might be it. Yep, here we go. Slow down, fast up. Oh, slow down there. Okay, I'll stop. That shows like the life of a company too as well. You win. Oh, Bigfoot plays? No, okay, sorry. The reason why I'm very neutral about it is this is paper trading. I did not take that on my funded account. Do you want to know why? Because I literally flipped a coin. I mean, it worked out. I need to give this coin a lot more credit because what the heck, man? Should have left a runner. So same with this one. That's very much... Let me see here. Yeah, like I don't like where this is. Let's see if it goes back into that level or not. This would be an A+ setup on ES, by the way. Sorry, looking at ES, this would actually be an A+ setup. Let's see if it works out here or not. I think this is more than I'm willing to risk, unfortunately for me. Yeah, A+ on ES, not so much on NQ. Pity. I can't deny it, I'm kidding. Price scalping long Bitcoin hit the demand zone at bottom of local range, about 2 minutes structure flip. Targeting the liquidity top of local range CPI for potential is short into order block. Nice, okay. What's my opinion on the energy sector? I don't really have one. What's up, Louis? I would have sworn you'd have a white check mark on these damn cells. No, no, no. Where? Nowhere for me to enter here. I guess potentially there, but I definitely wouldn't have, especially now that it just tapped into VWAP. Like I said, not keen on that. If it takes that out, I would be keen on this Bob level. NQ is mad today, 5 minute, 80 yards, 80, massive volume for me. There's a no afternoon trade. So I just have a question. Where can I get his 21? I need it. I have no idea. Lucky? No clue. Sorry. That volume imbalance there on ES isn't the best sign. Like I said, it would have been A+ on ES. Definitely not A+ on NQ. So let's see how the A+ setup works on ES and what it does with regards to this NQ trade. Well, uranium is used for fuel to be fission energy, which is not me. I mean, uranium should be along over time. Again, sorry, I really no clue when it comes to that, Andre, but it sounds like that's your thing, right? Let's see what this does on NQ. Leave me alone. My MS at NQ became more momentum prone after London closed. Might be easier for you to trade between 6 to 8 p.m. Notice that NQ becomes more momentum prone after London close. It might be easier for you to trade between 6 and 8 p.m. Yeah, you actually can see the buys and sellers interactions. I've never tried, to be fair. Maybe it wouldn't be a bad idea to have a look at it. There we go. Okay, buyers have come back to the party. Let's go. Look at this one now working out really nicely. The A+ on ES is working out. For now. Does mean if it takes ES solidly, this is really going to start pushing up nicely on NQ, so that's good. Okay, definitely would have been break even now. So there we go. That actually would have been a decent one. A little less decent. Still hasn't taken the high on ES yet. I take the 510. Let's see. Stay. Oh my gosh. Did you take that trade? Multimeter, I'll have to give it a try. Maybe when I'm back up in Joburg. It sounds like it's very interesting and very different. Lack of a better word there. It's very different. I actually screamed. I'm gonna lie. That is amazing. I 100% believe that you would have screamed like a baby. Sorry. I have to be mean here and there. I feel like it's fair. Everyone's always mean to me. I have to dish it back sometimes. Come on, please don't do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We are never mean to you, only ever delightful. Maybe my glasses aren't thick enough because I swear I just read that. We are never mean to you. Right. Because that can't be right, can it? That can't be right. We are never mean to. Wow, I've never seen so much BS in one sentence. Anyways. Flip. Let's see, what's up? How you doing? Here we go. I actually would prefer this type of trade. Is it gonna get there though? Is a whole new topic. Some girl maybe my has us confused with her other chat. Wow. we are all always nice to me. Again, I swear I'm in the wrong chat. I must be in the wrong chat. BT dubs, A+ setup on ES. Would have worked really, really well. Literally would have wicked me in. Would have worked here as well, but yeah. ES formed an A+, NQ did not. Ooh, damn. Oh, look at that. Fibonacci? Yes, yeah, what about the Fibonacci? So I'm very focused on this right now. Waiting to see what the plan is from NQ. Like I said, ES would have been like chef's kiss, picture perfect, all nami. This, not so much right now. ES giving me something, NQ giving me nothing. Maybe I really should just start trading ES. Maybe that would just make life so much easier. Oh, we're stuck at the 30,000. Right. Right. Whole numbers. Did I tell you I bought a new EVA from Aqua Funded? I'm trying them out. I've never even heard of Aqua Funded. Lucky. What? Okay. What the silent hustle? How are you doing? Why did you say Nami? Oh, I was reading the Discord. Okay. Still no, still no. Wait, is stop loss? I'm not in a trade. I'm good as done. Alright, cool. I think you're as good as Dark Knight. Is that it? Lucky, no, they are. Oh dear. Okay, why are they bad? Louis looks like it's enchanted. All the regression. Did I favorite it? Or not? What was it called again? Oh wait, it wasn't any of these. It was the regression tool. Hey. Not here. Nope. 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 I don't see it. Where was it again? Ah, there we go. Okay, you were saying? Maybe from 943. Okay. So you would basically buy here. Is that it? Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Damn, I'm a little late. What the Dolly? How you doing? Well, that's scalp long was short-lived. Oh, I'm sorry. What? Is it the countless rules and regulations you have to follow? No. Is lavender here? I don't think so. Lavender? No. Apparently not. A lavender! Imagine that worked. Oh, I've done it earlier. Damn, Debbie, now I feel like I should have asked before I bought one. I make rules after breaching service and never get any law again. Favorite it now, you know, to look for it again. Don't even know if I want to favorite it though. What if I never use it? Just having a look, seeing if it actually works. Let's see. Take a sell there. Well, I'm in a buy now, so let's see if this works or not. I'm attempting this bob to bob over here. Like, you know, if it takes this out, should go all the way up, but maybe the entry should have been at 0.27. Let's see what this does if the sell should have been here. Okay. Now I can keep an eye out. Like it's clear, but yes, always mention it firm. You've never tried before, so you know if they're good or not. Still try and rinse the bottom. Relong to reclaim or range low. Relong on reclaim or range low. Let's see for one contract. Only 136. Ah. So you got 1, 2, 3. Still going a little bit further up though. That's still fine. Still got that there. I think it's still up. I mean, the bob to bob is working out like a damn little dream. Okay, you know my deal. When it gets to 50, I'm outie. Sugar honey iced tea. Is it still where I want? It's a bit risky. The buy is still fine. Okay. Not ideal, but it's still fine there. Could be worse with regards to entry. Okay, let's see. It's about to tap back in here. Didn't quite tap back in there. The first presented is up here. Want to see it go there. I don't know if it's going to go this far back down though. Oh, it looks like it did a double top on ES. This is a little scary. Multimirror, what's up? This might be an instant loss, but we're doing this. That's, yeah. It's fine. Point is that I'm taking the trades. Oh dear, Wi-Fi. Stay with me. tap and rejection. Come on, reject like you mean it. Reject like it's your ex-boyfriend. Trying to hook, or, yeah, well, yeah. Trying to get a hookup. That would do it. Come on, reach the 50%. When it reaches the 50%, I'm gonna go break even. Come on, push, 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 push. There we go. Reject. 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 Pretend it's your ex-boyfriend trying to... Maya's an alarm, better take my runners off. Wow, microwave. Rude. Rude, rude. Rude. Rude, rude. Rude, rude, rude. Just saying. I think my work isn't done yet. Like I said, this might come and take out my stop loss, but well, not stop loss, break even. Now let me pop this here. People can see the trade. Oh my gosh! Okay. Everyone calm down, everybody be cool, calm and collected. Oh my gosh, imagine I didn't do it. Yes, this was the real account. Imagine I just left. Imagine I didn't place a TP. What the heck, man? Well, there goes Asia High. Bloody hell. Okay. Cool. Balance is officially up to 882.80. Okay then. Jordy got a whoop whoop. Maya got a whoop whoop. Ollie got a whoop whoop. What the whoop-de whoop is going on, guys? Woohoo! Holy cow. Well, there we go. There's a little tick. Got in basically at the bottom. That was a nice trade. That candle just went all the way up. Wow. Just... Wow. 10K month? No ways, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, wins in the chat today. Drinks are on OTT apparently. The chat people. I love it. Oh yeah. No, don't be greedy. You know, in my mind I was thinking I should have just left it to run, but don't be greedy. Be happy with that. That was barely in drawdown. It literally came in, tagged in, and out so quickly. Wins in the chat. Wins in the chat. Wins in the chat. Wins in the chitty chat. Chat. Do. Sorry, I'll stop. When OTT told you yesterday you got this. My gosh, if this was it. Let's go. Okay, yeah, actually, what did happen here? Because, tis a little excessive. A singular month. Oh, guys, wins in the chat. I just want to leave it there. Screw it. We're done. We're done for the day. 1 hour in. Calling it. Because Wow. 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 This candle is absolute. Seriously, what happened here? 122 point candle. Traded every single day and only one red day. Oh, nah. Okay. Damn, we know what this means. If this goes up to 49, I have to start risking $100 again. No longer $50. But yes, this was on the real account. Sure. Hey Ted, what's up? This. Just let me know, please. Pay discourse 6 came into ship coming soon. See how regression trend. Pretty nearly at TP 2 already, potential for a short on the sweep of the high. Nice. How does include? Oh, she doesn't include how to draw trend lines. Yeah, if it doesn't, we don't want it. Okay. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna go hands off for a little minute there because cool. Do we know what this means? Let's do butterfly of the day. I missed out on so much profits because I was leaning back in my chair. Wow, be better. Be better. That was cool. Micro cruising past the profits going 95. Okay. Who else got a whoop whoop from that, guys? Oh, just a little bit more push. Okay, but seriously, was that news? Was that news that caused that? Let's do a poll. Who got a million? Give me a second. I'm doing a poll for you, Geordie. Let's see who got a W with that move. Okay. Not news. The move would have happened anyway. That's why the saying is show me the charts. I'll tell you the news. Oh. I got a little dub in there, but I got out before the big boy. It counts. It counts. No, technicals me. I'm really proud of that whoop, honestly. Oh, that is awesome. So far, a few people. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. Let's give it a few minutes, and then we'll see how many people got it. Okay, let's do butterfly of the day, and then we'll see. Okay, how about that? Butterfly of the day. Wait, there we go. Okay. Random butterfly generator, let's go. Boom. That's not what I want. Go away. Processing, generating, clouded yellow. We have not done any clouded yellow. Have we done a clouded yellow? We may have done a clouded yellow. Clouded yellow butterfly. Oh, it's quite cool. Okay, I dig it. The cloud is one of the truly migratory European butterflies and regular visitor to Britain and Ireland. Okay, let's see what this is. Britain and Ireland. Although some of these golden yellow butterflies are seen every year, the species is famous for occasional mass immigrations and subsequent breeding, which are fondly and long remembered as clouded yellow years. A small proportion of females are pale yellow, okay, which can be confused with the rare pale and Berger's clouded yellow. Okay, cool. Okay, size large, wingspan. Wingspan is from 57 to 62 millimeters. Oh my gosh, look how fluffy it is. Why is it so fluffy? I don't know how that makes me feel, but it's fluffy. It's a very weird eye you got there, my guy. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. Why is it so fuzzy? A butterfly supposed to be fuzzy. Okay, there we go. There's our butterfly of the day. The clouded yellow. It a bit fuzzy. Okay. Next. That butterfly looks sexy. Yeah, I think I know this butterfly. Butterfly has a moldy bum. Yeah, just like you, Mikuwabe. Oh my gosh, imagine I had just left it to run. Imagine. Oh well. Cannot complain about that win in this chart today. That was a goodie. Let's go back to paper because I don't want to now mess with this. Gosh. Okay, let's see. Let's see who got that. Who got a win in that? I'm ending the poll now. So, oh no! Majority of people got wins. Some people didn't get in on that. That's okay. That's volatility. Maybe one of the special among them joining me. Oh, yeah, I think I know this butterfly. I'm gonna react. I'm only the reason you want to me. They can fly hundreds of miles while barely stopping to feed using warm air currents almost like tiny biological gliders and give off ultraviolet signals to its mates. Damn, that's just because like that's all I do is win no matter what, so they should definitely be in the group. Did you see the setup for the buyer posted in the chat? I did not put me in coach, so it was a hopper from Jordy. I will go and check it out now. Like I said, I need to just breathe from that because that was quite cool. That was a nice win. Okay, let's see. Ninja. Okay, I kind of understand where you got it. I see. I'm having a look there. Let's check the order flow hub. Oh my gosh. Who's in this channel, by the way? Who's in this order flow channel? Do I want to know? I don't know if I want to know. Anyways, also my Delta account was like 40 season post in the order flow channel. Buys were heavy winning. I almost feel like I need to call it there and not take another trade. Let me quickly go back to paper. Oh yeah, paper was a win. This was a Bob's Bob level win, by the way. So I'm just going back to paper to not tempt myself to now mess up a decent day. I can't post in the order flow channel, must be exclusive. Wow. They mean, hey? So I have no control over that one. That's Ollie and Geordie's baby over there. You're gonna have to ask them nicely. Wait, Geordie, did we basically take the same trade? You just had a much larger TP. So I'm actually having a look at Geordie's trade here. It actually looks like we had a similar entry. Yeah? Like I said, similar entry. Geordie just had a much larger TP than I did. What was my entry price at? It was at 0.13. Yeah? Yeah. 0.13.25 for being exact. I don't need to post it if they were giving signal. I use order flow as part of my conflict model, so might muddy up that chat. I don't think it's signals, I think it's just anyone that trades order flow. I don't know. I'm not involved. I'm just here for the laughs. Dr. Siraj, is that right? What's up? That was a healthy TP from the big man, yeah. And solid, but there is 2 solid accounts. What, are you asking me for another entry? I mean, theoretically, let's look at this. Let's see if this continues higher. That would have been another. Would I? Yeah, probably actually. This is not a terrible one. It appears to be working out. I don't know if I would have taken it after it had just taken out Asia High. Let's see how this reacts here. See how it bounced out from New York Time Plus. Does such a nice buy entry there too. Wow, yeah, that's actually the same trade. I had it at 1R, but I saw some orders flood in and quickly moved it higher. Oh, damn, Geordie. I mean, you know me. Mine is at a 1 to 2R set. It was so big that your one contract was $50, or else I would have left one runner, but it's fine. Does not matter. Your mine was 1 to 2R. I see yours was like all the way up. Solidly. I wouldn't have gone much further though, if I'm honest. I probably would have gone to the next Bob level. So, I mean, how many points? Yeah, another like 10 points. Winning adjustment. Yeah, honestly, this is interesting. Does everyone trade with dynamic stuff? Or a fixed amount, like 10 point stuff? Well, you know, I stick with my 1 to 2R and it changes depending on the range. Everyone else? Does everyone trade with a dynamic stop or stop size by ATR or a fixed amount like 10 point stop? So Ollie had a runner going and he would have loaded by now. Wow. Stop here. It's not always the TP though. I trade fixed every, but I use ATR to see when my stop will fit. Louis trails the stop. Alrighty, Rube. I'm going for a 1 to 10 hour right now. 41 hit wonder happens once a year. TP at 194. The next major liquidity is at 380, by the way. Well, at least that's what I've got marked out on the 1 hour chart. At 380 is the next major liquidity level. Cool, that was a good trade. That was nice. If I'd used the full range, I don't think... No, wait. Oh! Can you imagine if that had maybe missed? Sorry, looking at full range, so I used that range, obviously. But using full range, it would have potentially, unless I was very, very accurate, may have potentially missed me before going back up like that. That would have hurt my feelings. But that's okay. I'm almost tempted to call it here because of, well, I don't think it's necessary to take another trade. That was good. On the plus side, I'm in the green on the paper trading account. I mean, I'm in the green on my funded today. I'm up what, $102. Don't mean to brag here or anything. Use 10 points for my stop ideally if I can sometimes be 20 to 30 points. Why does this look like an M? Oh, it looks like a bull flag. Especially on ES. Very much looks like a bull flag on ES. Let's see what NQ is going to be doing. Georgie using VPN. I've always traded 1% per trade too. Who's gonna keep trading and who's calling it after a W? Okay. Fair enough, I work out when I'm thinking about it. If my stuff there could be green Maya for the day. Whoop whoop. Heck yeah! Looks like we're all pretty decently in the green for today. Who's had a bit of a red day? Don't be shy. Y'all have watched me have so many red days. I feel like fair is fair. Who did have a red day? Who called that wrong? It's fine if you did. Things happen. I'm just curious. I'm watching this local booty trade play out till elf walk time. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm done for the day. I just need to log a winning day tomorrow and I'm taking a payout. Hey, Solly, that's amazing! Thanks for board. What, should we do a coin flip? I can finally answer this question with a not me. Hey-o! It says sell. I don't even know where to flipping put. Oh, it did me dirty. Oh, it do me dirty. Stop loss. Yeah, basically. The coin said sell. Thunder was generous green here. That's amazing. I get room to breathe and bought myself just 6 Maybe I should not have mentioned it. Oh dear. Don't worry, Deb. You got this. You've got this. You've got this. I feel like everyone actually deserves another whoop whoop in the chat, to be fair. What a good day for everyone. I'm super proud of all of you guys, hey? I really hope you know that. I'm proud of everyone that's joining this journey and... I want to say fighting this battle, that sounds bad, but you know, let's just be fair. Trading in general English, is kind of like fighting a battle with yourself and the markets. It's not always easy, but we do it. Can you hear that noise? All that noise. All that noise. So much noise. So irritating, but it's okay. Oh dear. The coin has done me dirty. I would. A little bit of rejection for that 50% of that tiny fair value gap. Let's see. ES is still pushing for a sell. Money in the back making noise. Can you imagine if I did this and this was not my paper trading? I think I would have lost it. I would have been like, ah, okay. Well then. We fat green student is really happy once again. Well, Squeedo though hurts me. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna hate this new chat. Well, I saw, yeah, he probably is. I saw what you guys put there. No ICT zone. Anyways. Perry's running around like a weirdo. Hath the coin done me dirty, or are we in DDO going down? It's about to tap into that fair value gap on ES. This might start to just shoot back up. Let's see. Let's see. Tempted to now move that. Give it a little bit of breathing room, but if it breaks up, it's gonna go up solidly. Damn. I already like that little flip, and I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Yola Savage. Okay. Yola Savage. Mean. Oh, here we go. Coin did me dirty. Not mad. Just disappointed. You were doing so well. I don't trade ICT, I trade OTT. Hey, look at OTT being a smarty pants. I love it. I love it. Genuinely curious to see Making Mojo Jojo. Biddy, I'm trying my TP2 budget. Just give me one more run for that high, please. Go on, Biddy. Go on, Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. Go. Let's go, Biddy. Go. Let's go, Biddy. Go. Let's go, Biddy. Go. Sorry. Weirdness runs in my family. If you met my parents, you would understand. We're a little bit weird. OTT, that is the progression. Some guy, does Biddy go with or against MNQ, or does it like just a completely different, like can't compare? It's like comparing apples and oranges. Out of curiosity. Saw that jump there. Coin. Did me dirty today. Well, I say today. Did me dirty on this one. But we're still in the green. On the paper. On the paper. Often the correlations to... I'm building a ninja method, about to start my YouTube channel in June. Damn! Okay. Go on then. Are y'all making YouTube channels? Wow. Trying to compete with me. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm here to support. Once you have it up and running, let me know so I can go and subscribe. Louis. Generally, if crazy people down biddy and crypto follows. Okay. But I forever be ICT son. See, who's gonna be loving on the coin though? Nobody loving on the coin. I feel like that's mean. OTT, it's not, it's like DNA. I've already bought 23 hours until next New York. So, Solly, you're done. Oh, wait, you said, yeah, you are done for the day. Why don't you just do some paper trading then? I'll try to stream in Discord sometimes when I'm doing TA. Go for it, some guy. Next time, tag me. I can tag everyone and then I'll be able to join you a little bit sooner. I didn't know you were there until I hopped on and I was like, hey, look who it is. Go for coin flip again, okay? Let's do one more coin flip. Wow, that just took me up. Now it's going down. It says sell again. It's pretty set on the sell. Sorry, he's in us. Don't do that. Okay, for sure we'll do someone told me sell my indicator, but no. You're gonna be free to people if you subscribe. I'm itching for a payout. There we go. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Wow, coin do me dirty. Coin do me dirty. Wow. Rude. I'm totally getting stopped out of this long at break-even green day though, except for the overnight breach.
Hello! Are you here to say well done to everybody? Come say well done to everybody. Come here and say green day, yay! Green day, yay!
Want a headband on? Look at you. Oh, you're so cute. This poor dog is so over all of my sugar honey iced tea. Oh! But you look adorable. But you look so cute. The face I just got. You are so sweet. Let's go get your sweetie. Must I put it back on? Did you like it? Let's put it back on. Yeah. No, no. Oh, no? Back on? Oh, yeah. Put it back on. You look adorable. Oh my gosh. Princess Harry. Why the Wi-Fi gotta come off live support now? Oh, it is too. Why is it hating on Perry? Look at you. You're adorable. You're so cute. Okay, wait. I have to take these off. They're gonna bug me. Why are you too cute? You know that. You're such a good boy. And you look so pretty. Wow. That coin did me dirty.
Hey, Bean. That coin did me dirty. There we go. There we go. Oh, thank you. You're such a good boy. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks.
Like I said, Perry was here to tell everyone whoop whoop. Literally. Wow, those two trades went and screwed all of that. Give him a fat steak. I cannot. He's looking a little bit like a potato. Why do you think I'm having to take him? Perry Elf says derp. Why do you think I'm having to take him for runs? Because he be looking a little bit like a potato. A very cute potato, but still a potato. But I do love him. Okay? Okay, guys. I know it's rather early, but I'm taking all the temptation out. Completely. All the temptation of taking another trade because that was a solid win. I'm very chuffed with that. And the greedy part of me is really upset that I didn't just move TP higher, but the logical side of me is telling me that not being greedy and being consistent is better than just letting it do its thing. So it's fine. It's fine. It's raining sideways here, so I'm taking my dog running in the rain. I hate it. She loves it. I can tell Perry's a good guy. He's the best guy. Perry Tato, exactly. I'm still waiting for 194. Okay then. It's a little volatile. It is a tad bit volatile right now. Stopped out along. Oh, boo! Some guy, but still green. So still whoop whoop. So one, okay, I think everyone deserves one last whoop whoop for this day. Definitely one last whoop whoop for this day. Slow clap as well. What we get. That's what we all get. That was a banger. Win for the community today. I love it. I'm proud of everyone, even those that missed it or had a bit of a red day. You know what? Like I said, you guys have watched me had so many red days. It's all part of it. Love a cheeky Nando's. Like I said, I know I'm calling it a tad bit early. I'm taking all temptations off the table. All temptations off the table. We're gonna come back and do this again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, people. Is it? Yeah, today's Thursday. I keep forgetting where we're at. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's see what Friday brings us. We got this. 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 Okay. Some guy enjoyed doing machine. No. Running that token on the real account. Honestly, you get a payout so bad. Slowly but surely. One good trade at a time. That's the only way to do it, guys. One good trade at a time. There's gonna be some yucky ones in between. That's just part of it. So I'm calling it early. Wins in the chat, wins in the community. I absolutely love it. If you guys didn't go and check it out, you can go check it out. We did the interview with OTT. I now posted officially. The next one is an interview with Boom Banana. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta start editing that bad boy. Okay. I love you guys madly. You are the best. Wins in the community. Happy days. Have an amazing day, evening, night, midnight, wherever you're at. Trade safe. Don't forget to press that like button. If you want discounts, you know what to do. Okay. I love you guys.